Wagwan guys. So today we are on the river and we're gonna do a cooking video. We have a new subscriber here.
Hi.
Yes. And also we have the rest and more up there. So guys, we just reach and we get the place clean up. We make up a fire. As you can see, everybody I get to work. Yeah. Nice view. You like it down here, Brianna?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so guys, we'll just stay tuned until we cut in it.
Yeah, man, just stay tuned and just go on all of me.
Alright. So people, we are going to get some stick for the fire. Yes. And we have our subscriber there. She used to the bush already, so it's not nothing new to her. Same time we still have our other subscriber. Yeah. So we're gonna look some stick, guys. Alright, see it there? So we'll find some and we'll bring them back. We're gonna make up a fire. Look, tell me now, guys. Look where she got bush. Go Chow, let's go bother with it now. This girl not easy at all. Look for a fire stick, guys. Jesus. So we'll just go and stay until we reach up back up by fire. Alright, so we reach back up by fire and we are getting the stick them broke up. We're going to fire. We're going to fire. So guys, we're just going to stay tuned until we start max up. Alright, so guys, Brianna. So guys, today we are going to do jellof rice and chicken, African jellof rice. So we have some tomato, sweet pepper, and some onion as well. So she will get them cut up and something. Meanwhile, my brother there here so I catch a fire. So I go on. Yeah. So what we are gonna do, guys, we are get them cut up and we are gonna roast them, par roast them. So you just stay tuned. Alright, so guys, she almost finished them there. So she get the onion peel off and something. Yeah. I just laugh. Yes, guys. Alright, so she are going for the last set now. So see there, she finished. I was seeing that she finished. Cut the one and them two. And so alright, so we are go back down on the fire side. So we just stay tuned. Alright, so guys, we put on it tin and we put some oil on it just to keep the something them my. So what we are gonna do is add them on it. Bring them come. So we just have to par roast them, guys. Put them pan. Yeah, like you can take them up. See them, like guys.
I not go everywhere. You know.
No, you're not put it everywhere. Put them all around you. So we just get them pan and make them par roast, guys. So we can blend them up. So we have to draw out some of the fire because we don't want them burn up. So we get them cover and make them go and roast. So we just stay tuned and see if we see what go on. They say you can't wait to try it, don't you? Guys, we are get them turn. As I say, we are par roast them. So we are get them turn. Like that. He pot cover hot, man. Yes. She just a learn, guys. Here we have to make she learn. See a close up look there on it, guys. We just want them par roast and yeah, turn the pepper right, the one right aside in. The one. No, this one. Yeah. Done now? Alright, so guys, we have to get back the pot cover. We have to get it back cover so it can roast. Yeah. So just stay tuned. Eh? Alright, so guys, see that them finish roast, so we are get them off to blend them up. Yeah, so we are go get them blend up here now. So we just go and hold on until we reach up the blender there. Cause the place pretty, man, look nice. Alright, so guys, see there we get the something them in the blender and we get it cover and blend it up. So we'll get them.
No current.
Oh, hold on. Fully cover with one. Alright, so guys, see it here, it finished. Well thick up and look good. Yeah, so we'll just stay tuned, see what I'm going to make. Alright, so guys, we get on a pot, so we are getting some palm oil in it. Yeah.
What is it?
So we are getting some oil in it, guys. Go on and sure. Sure, man, just sure. Alright. Alright. Yeah, so me know while the oil go on hot. Brianna, come with the spoon and it up in the blender. Because you can see the fire kicking, guys, so we can't take no thread. Sorry. So we are getting the paste at the same time. Yeah. I get everything mixed up. So meanwhile it go on. See there, guys. The fire high now, guys, so we have to just do it same time. So like how them pot cook already. So we're not going to stay long. We're going to just go ahead same time and just add the rice. Yeah. Take time, Brianna. So shall I just scrape? So shall I mix the rice, get the rice mixed up all in one. Just hold on. Alright, so guys, see it there. So we are just make it go and stay and go and cook. Yeah. So now just stay tuned to see what I go on. Alright, so guys, see it there. So we turn on the fire so you can go and steam out. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna turn it, add the butter and onions. Yeah.
So add some onion now cut up. Yeah, and we're gonna add this of butter.
Look at the color. So nice.
Yeah, and then we're gonna give it a turn same way. How hot. So you can combine.
Yeah.
Now one. Really hot. Alright, so guys, we're gonna add some water in there and make it go and stir and cook down. So I'm gonna just check in.
Yeah.
On the pot again. Alright, so guys, we are check out the rice. So it's still not finished yet, guys. It's still a go and steam out same way. So meanwhile it a go and steam out, we're gonna get the chicken cut up and put it on the fire over here. So because night a come, you know, want stay down there too late. So my brother did just go and cut up the chicken. Alright, so guys, see there, a 2 chicken we get. The one and this one I will cut up. So meanwhile boys did go and cut up the chicken. The other fire go and catch. So I'm just stay tuned.
Liver.
Same way we still there on the river. Alright, so guys, the meat done cook and we get some vinegar to wash off it. Show all of that for me, man. Alright. Yeah. This are 4. This are what? Let me see. 2. Yes, guys, I'm gonna get them wash off with the vinegar. Yeah. So guys, we get the vinegar wash off already and we add some meat season pan it. So guys, Maggi complete all purpose and some what that paprika. We are getting bean. A chef in a real life, you know, guys. You can see my Robini seasoning and meat. And some more Maggi. Enough meat, you know, guys, so we don't want the meat fresh, so we add enough seasoning on it. So guys, we get some oil in our pot to deal with the chicken and some brown stew chicken we do. So we get some oil in it. Yeah. We burn the sugar to make browning because we not bring no browning.
Better than.
So we have the sugar. Right, so we are getting the sugar.
Oh.
Alright. You go and burn. Alright, so see there, guys. See that get brown there. Yeah, so we call this Jamaican way of making browning. You burn the sugar. There you go, you have it.
Nice. Jamaican cooking.
Yes, Chedian, big chef.
Jamaican cooking, the see if you don't use this at your garden yard, you're not chef, you see me?
Yeah, so guys, meanwhile to burn. Yeah. Keep your update. Alright, so guys, see it get brown and we don't want it burn up because the chicken are go bitter. So we are getting the chicken them in a pot. See chicken them. Guys, we didn't need a bigger pot. The pot is too small. But we have to go try and make it whole because up on the river we there, we don't have no more pot. So we have to try and make it whole.
That is it, people.
Yeah. In the video light. Where you say I go on for your food, Brianna? You say bad? Alright. Some of them not share out yet. Kuya, to you actually a longer actually have to eat your hand. Kuya, all out of hand. No, sir. Rice at a pepper man a share food and share out in safe. I never see nothing go so yet.
No. Don't have gravy in the pot.
Active, man, active.
Pepper bun me.
One shot.
Kuya, hottest girl is on the river. She are going to water with her glass. Rich sheng yang. We have food bad man, then can't even talk. I'll pepper bun me.
That is it.
Kuya. So how are we going over here, so? Now where the rat is an African crew. Yes, Burberry. Pan them.
Bad man.
Why? Guys, look. Pepper.
Wow.
Yes, I go for food. He food by this shall hide. One minute. Nobody at top, man. Nobody at top. Where's that going for your food, Ashley? No, sir, guys, until next time we out.